Hello, morning.
Morning, ma'am. Namaste.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm well, thank you. Very well. And you?
I'm also good. So our today's topic is again chakra, the Ajna chakra and Sahasrara chakra. So first, let us begin the class. Sit in any comfortable position. Adopt Jnana Chin Mudra. Inhale deeply. Eyes closed. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om, followed by opening mantra. Oh. 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 Opening mantra, repeat after me. Yogena chittasya padena vacham
Yogena chitta sapade manacham
malam sarirasya cha vaidyakena
malam nachitta samale nachitam
yopakarottam pravaram muninam
yoga karotam praveram chitam
patanjalim pranjaliranatosmi
Patanjalem prajalem natalem posmi
Oh.
Om
Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm together. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently. Open your eyes. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Yes, Kritanjali ma'am.
Yes, sir.
You are late.
No,
How
sir,
are-
I was. I came 2 minutes late.
Yes. Today, 3 new students.
Yes. I just start Saturday.
Yes, ma'am. When you joined today?
Yes.
Okay. So our today's topic is chakra, and today's our point is the 6th chakra, Ajna chakra. The actual name of Ajna chakra is Agya chakra.
And what number?
Yes, ma'am.
What number of the page of the book?
No, write down on notebook.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Take your notebook and write down.
Hello.
Okay.
Okay, do you hear me, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? My name is Yulia.
Namaste.
Nice.
Namaste.
How are you?
Nice to meet you. Good, good. I'm sorry I was late. I was looking through my emails and it didn't come
Yeah.
through. The email was in my spam, so I was confused for a moment.
Today is your first day.
Correct.
Why you joined so late?
Sorry?
Why you joined so late? Only
Uh,
6 days left.
Oh, about the class date or
Yeah.
hour? The
Yeah, class
date
date.
is because Mr. Dewa, maybe you guys know him, obviously. He kept on letting us know that it's gonna happen tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow because for some
Oh.
reason he
Okay.
didn't put it on the schedule right. So even yesterday we were supposed to log in, but he put the anatomy class overlapping with our philosophy class. So it was making no sense. Like we were in the
Okay.
physical class at the same
But,
time that the
but the timing of philosophy class and anatomy class is separate.
excuse me.
I use this time for anatomy class and philosophy class on other time.
Yes. Well, that's what he did today, pretty much. I'm just trying to look for my headphones so I hear you better. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, I think in the end now we're all in the same place, but too late. In my opinion, it's too late too. But you guys know better if we can catch up with you.
Okay, so let us begin the class.
All right. Yeah, I hear you loud and clear. Perfect.
Our today's point is Ajna Chakra, AJNA, Ajna Chakra, CHAKRA, Ajna Chakra. There is a total 7 chakras. First chakra is Mooladhara Chakra. Second is
Swadhish.
Swadhisthana Chakra. Third is Manipur Chakra. Fourth is
Anahata Chakra.
Anahat Chakra. Fifth one is
Vishuddhi.
Visuddhi Chakra. And now Ajna Chakra. That also known as third eye chakra. Third eye chakra. THIRD. Third eye chakra. Note down.
I
Yeah.
didn't get that. It's heart as heart.
No, no.
or
Chakra. The topic is chakra.
Yes, but the name of it is what is the
The point is
Ajna.
Ajna Chakra. Here, in the middle of between both eyebrow. The location of Ajna Chakra is between both eyebrow.
All right.
Yeah, where we concentrate. That also known as third eye chakra. Understood?
And what
Yes.
is the name?
Which name,
Ajna.
ma'am? Ajna.
Shatana.
Ajna. Ajna.
Oh, okay.
That is third eye chakra.
The third eye.
Third eye. Third eye. Third eye.
Yeah. And here.
Yeah. These are two eyes and another eye is here. Third eye.
Third eye.
Yeah. Note down. It is situated at the center point between the eyebrows. It is situated at the center point between the eyebrows.
Eyebrow.
Eyebrow.
Okay.
Which is also referred as the third eye chakra, point of intuition. That is point of intuition. The third eye is point of intuition. It has two petals. It has two petals. Look here.
Okay.
Is it visible?
Yes.
This is the symbol of Ajna Chakra. Kritanjali ma'am,
Yes, sir.
visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The relevant color associated with the third eye chakra is indigo.
Indigo.
Yeah. The color of this chakra is indigo.
Indigo.
Yeah. Lulia ma'am,
Yes.
note down on notebook. You have notebook?
Yes, I'm writing on the tablet.
Okay, okay.
So I'm splitting the screen in two.
Okay. Sorry.
No
The
problem.
relevant color associated with the third eye chakra is indigo.
Correct.
And the chanting mantra for this chakra is Om. O-M.
Om. O-M.
Yeah. And this is the symbolic letter of Om. Is it visible?
Yes.
Inside ring. This is a symbolic letter for
Correct.
chanting Om. A misaligned Ajna chakra. A misaligned Ajna chakra may result in confusion. May result in confusion. And express itself in physical symptoms and express itself in physical symptoms such as headache, H-E-A-D-A-C-H-E, headache, migraine, M-I-G-R-A-I-N-E, migraine, and dizziness, D-I-Z-Z-I-N-E-S-S. The symptoms of misaligned Ajna chakra is headache, migraine, and dizziness. When this chakra is balanced, when this chakra is balanced, you are able to see things, you are able to see things clearly. You are able to see things clearly. When the
I'm sorry, the signal is breaking up.
signal is breaking. Kritanjali ma'am?
No, sir, it is visible to me.
Maybe
Okay.
you, Julia, you have your Wi-Fi weak, you know.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. Yoga poses that help realign the third eye chakra include dolphin pose. Yoga poses that realign the third eye chakra include dolphin pose, that is Ardha Pinch Mayurasana. Dolphin pose known as Ardha Pinch Mayurasana. Second pose is Balasana, that is child pose. Child pose. And cat and cow pose. Cat and cow pose. Yoga poses that help realign the third eye chakra is dolphin pose, that is Ardha Pinch Mayurasana, child pose Balasana, cat and cow pose also known as Marjaryasana. These asanas realign, help to realign this third eye chakra. To heal and purify this center, to heal, HEAL, heal and purify, PURIFY, purify this center, Nadi Sodhan Pranayam can be practiced. Nadi Sodhan Pranayam can be practiced. Magda ma'am?
Yes,
Pranayama, what's the first word?
Nadi Shodhana.
Nadi Sodhana. Nadi Sodhana.
I
Yes.
never.
Yes, sir.
You know Nadi Sodhana?
No.
No.
I think we had it. in-
Alternate nostril breathing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Yes.
Yeah. Alternate nostril breathing. Kritanjali ma'am, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah.
To heal and purify this center, Nadi Sodhan Pranayam can be practiced to balance out the right and the left side of brain. To balance out the right and left side of brain. Means Nadi Sodhan Pranayam balance the right and left side of brain. It is associated with the pituitary gland. It is associated with the pituitary gland, PITUITARY, pituitary gland, and hypothalamus, HYPOTHALAMUS. It is associated with the pituitary gland and hypothalamus. Understood?
Yes.
It has 2 petals. The chanting mantra for this chakra is Om. Color for this chakra is indigo. And yoga poses that realign this chakra are dolphin pose, that is Ardha Pincha Mayurasana, Balasana child pose, and Marjaryasana cat and cow pose. And Nadi Sodhan Pranayam can be practiced to balance the left and right side of brain.
Yes. And what maybe there's any mudra for this Om?
Yeah. There is Hakini Mudra. Hakini Mudra is
How you
practiced
spell?
for third eye chakra. Hakini. Hakini Mudra.
Can you show us, please?
Hakini Mudra. Hakini Mudra form like this. This is Hakini Mudra. And our last chakra is Sahasrara chakra.
What color is this one? The
Ajna
last
chakra.
one.
Ajna chakra.
No, the next one.
Next
crown?
one is Sahasrara chakra. Sahasrara. 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 Sahasrara chakra. Chakra. Sahasrara chakra. That is crown chakra. CROWN, crown chakra. It is situated at the top of the scalp. It is situated at the top of scalp. SCALP. It is situated at the top of scalp. It is considered the gateway to pure consciousness. It is considered the gateway to pure consciousness and the source of all chakras. It is considered the gateway to pure consciousness and the source of all chakras.
Of all chakras?
Yeah, it is the source of all chakras. It is represented by the color violet. VIOLET, violet. Violet color is for this chakra. One minute. Is it visible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Note down. When this chakra is out of balance, when this chakra is out of balance, you may feel disconnected. You may feel disconnected from spiritual trust as well as from your body, as well as from your body. When this chakra is out of balance, you may feel disconnected from spiritual trust as well as from your body. Clear?
Clear.
Is there any specific number of petals?
Yeah, I come for that. Yoga poses such as balancing butterfly pose, yoga poses such as balancing butterfly pose, Sirsasana, that is headstand, butterfly pose also known as Baddha Konasana. Butterfly pose, next Sirsasana, that is headstand, and half lotus, promote concentration. These poses promote concentration. To enter into consciousness, use the crown mudra. Magda ma'am,
Yes.
crown mudra can be used for balance the Sahasrara chakra or to enter into consciousness. This is the crown mudra. This
Mhm.
one.
Okay.
Is it visible?
Yes, it is.
Shritanjali ma'am? Pineal gland, pineal gland is most commonly associated with this chakra. Pineal gland is most commonly associated with this chakra.
I have to go today. There is emergency.
Okay, Shritanjali ma'am, you can go. It has 1,000 petals. It has 1,000 petals.
1,000.
Yeah, 1,000 petals, or you can say uncountable petals. Uncountable petals. The chanting mantra for this chakra, is the universal mantra Om, same as like Ajna chakra. OM. Clear? The color for Sahasrara chakra is violet. And pineal gland most commonly associated with this chakra. It has 1000 petals. And the chanting mantra for this chakra is Om. Clear?
Yes.
So this was all about our chakras, 7 chakras. Today we completed our 7 chakras. Repeat once the name of all 7 chakras. First chakra is, what is the name of first chakra?
Muladhara, root chakra.
Muladhara chakra, that is root chakra. Second chakra is Swadhisthana.
Swadhisthana, pelvic chakra.
Yeah, that is pelvic chakra.
The next one is solar. But
The next one is Manipur chakra, that is solar plexus chakra.
yes. The
And
other one,
fourth one is
heart chakra.
Anahat.
An-
Anahat
Anahat.
chakra, yes. Yeah, that is heart chakra.
And the next one is throat chakra, which name
Yeah,
is
throat chakra, which name is Visuddhi chakra.
Vishuddhi chakra. Yes. And today Ajna chakra.
Yeah, Ajna chakra. And the last one is
Crown,
Sahasrara chakra.
Sahasrara chakra, crown.
Sahasrara, crown chakra. Okay, these are the all 7 chakras. So our next topic is Nadis, Nadis. Magda ma'am, last month you learned about Nadi.
I've heard about it. Yeah. Energy channels.
Yeah, energy channel.
Mhm.
The energy channel function and importance. Nadis. The energy channel, its function and importance.
I didn't hear that.
The energy channel, its function and importance. Now voice is clear?
Little better.
Okay. Yes. Write down. The Sanskrit term Nadi. The Sanskrit term Nadi, N-A-D-I, comes from root word Nad, N-A-D, comes from root word Nad, N-A-D, which means motion, flow, or vibration, which means motion, flow, or vibration. Understood? Nadi is a Sanskrit term, comes from root word nad, which means motion, flow, or vibration. Just how veins and arteries are important for the healthy functioning, just how veins, V-E-I-N-S, veins and arteries, A-R-T-E-R-I-E-S, arteries are important for the healthy functioning of our physical body, nadis weave, WEAVE, through our physical nerves, as well as the subtle circuitry of the mind, as well as the subtle, SUBTLE, subtle circuitry, CIRCUITRY, circuitry of the mind. It is important as veins and arteries. Understood? The body is filled with FILLED, filled with innumerable nadis, INNUMERABLE, innumerable nadis that cannot be counted. The body is filled with innumerable nadis that cannot be counted. Tantric wisdom, TANTRIC, tantric wisdom state that there are 72,000 nadis in the human body.
72,000.
Nadis in the human body. How many nadis?
72,000.
Yes, 72,000. Is it visible? Magda ma'am?
Yes, visible.
There are 72,000 nadis in human body. 14 are principal nadis. 14 are principal nadis, out of which 14 are principal nadis, out of which Sushumna, 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 Ida, IDA, Ida,
Principal nadis to what? Oh, excuse me.
3. in which 14 nadis are principal nadis, out of which Susumna, Ida, and Pingala, Pingala, Pingala. Susumna, Ida, and Pingala are considered to be most important.
Can you
Considered
spell but the last two if you don't mind?
Ida, last two. First one
Yes.
is Susumna, Sushumna. Second one is Ida, Ida, and third one is Pingala, Pingala.
Thank you.
So Susumna, Ida, and Pingala are considered to be most important. The first nadi is Ida nadi. Write down Ida, Ida, Ida nadi, Nadi. Ida associated with the energy of moon. Ida associated with the energy of moon. It represents the feminine aspect, Feminine, feminine aspect of our personality. It represents the feminine aspect of our personality and is often shown OFTEN, is often shown as white, means its color is white.
Excuse me, it's shown how?
As white, WHITE, white.
White.
Yes.
Thank you.
It is also the yin element. It is also the yin element, YIN, 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 yin element in Chinese philosophy. In Chinese philosophy, it is yin element. Ida controls the function of parasympathetic nervous system, PARASYMPTHETIC parasympathetic nervous system. Clear?
Yes.
Ida controls the function of parasympathetic nervous system, which calm the mind, which calms, CALMS, calms the mind and body. Because it is related to emotions, feelings, and memories. Because it is related to emotions, feelings, and memories, MEMORIES. Clear?
Yes.
When Ida becomes too strong, when Ida becomes too strong or dominant, when Ida becomes too strong or dominant, tiredness, depression, introversion, tiredness, depression, introversion, and an inability to see things, and an inability to see things with a clear perspective, can take over. Means when Ida becomes too strong or dominant, tiredness, depression, introversion, and an inability to see things is developed. Ida starts and end to the left. Magda ma'am,
Yes.
look here. Ida starts and ends with left. Means it starts from left from here. Mooladhara to Swadhisthana to Manipur to Anahat to Visuddhi to Agnya. It not goes to Sahasrara. So
Okay.
it starts from left and end to left. That is Ida Nadi. Clear?
No.
Not clear.
Nope.
Fine. Look here. Look here.
Yes.
Look on this whiteboard.
I am.
Here is the Mooladhara, lower part. That is root chakra. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
It starts from here, Mooladhara from left. Left and rotate towards right. Left side starts from left, go to Swadhisthana chakra. It turns towards right. Again, go to Manipur chakra. From Manipur chakra, it takes left rotation, go to Anahat chakra. From Anahat, it goes towards right and move towards Visuddhi. It takes again left and ends on Ajna chakra. That is at left side. Clear?
Okay. I understand.
Yeah, this is the rotation, like serpent.
All right.
Clear now?
Yes.
Thank you. So this is all about for today's class. Any question?
Can somebody give us to the material for the other chakras?
Other chakras?
Yes, since we couldn't make it to the class.
Everything is, all the recordings are on YouTube.
Everything in the recorded videos you can see from there, and if you have any doubt, I will tell you. You can ask to me.
It's
our-
written.
All our classes are recorded, and then you can watch them on YouTube.
Okay, perfect.
Each and every class is recorded, and then you can see
You-
all of it.
You can
Perfect.
look. You can see all the classes on Bali Yoga School channel of YouTube.
Bali Yoga School. Perfect then.
Okay.
Thank you.
Any other
So then
question?
that should be it for me.
So
Thank you so much.
thank you, ma'am. Let us close the class. Sit in any comfortable position. Spine straight. Eyes closed. Adopt Jnana Chin Mudra. This is the mudra. Put on your knees. Put on your both knees. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for one time Om, followed by closing mantra. Om. Closing mantra, repeat after me. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah.
Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha.
Sarve santu niramaya.
Sarve Santu Niramaya.
Sarve bhadrani pasyanto.
Sarve Bhadra Pashantu.
Ma kaschid dukh bhag bhavet.
Akastu
Akare.
Dukha Bhave.
Om.
Om.
Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eye. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Om Shanti. Thank you
Om
for joining
Shanti.
the class.
Om Shanti.
We
Thank you.
will meet again tomorrow at same time.
All right. Perfect.
8:30 morning.
Namaste.
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 Namaste, ma'am.